Let px equal to 5 upon 13 raised to the power x plus 12 upon 13 raised to the power x minus 1. And this function px is true for all x belongs to real number. Then this equation px equal to 0 has exactly one solution, means one root in R, strictly increasing for all x belongs to R. Equation px equal to 0 has exactly two solution or two roots in R, means real roots. Px is strictly decreasing, means we have to find or check two things. First is px is either increasing or decreasing, and second is roots of px equal to 0, means real root, only one real root or two real roots exist for this equation px equal to 0. As for increasing or decreasing, we will check first derivative. So px equal to 5 upon 13 raised to the power x plus 12 upon 13 raised to the power x. So take its derivative. So p dash x, a raised to the power x, derivative of a raised to the power x is a raised to the power x log a. So apply this formula. So 5 upon 13 raised to the power x log 5 upon 13 plus 12 upon 13 raised to the power x and log of 12 upon 13. And derivative of minus 1 is 0. As we know that 5 upon 13 is less than 1, and 12 upon 13 is also less than 1, and graph of log function is goes like this, and value at 1, log 1 is 0, and value less than log a, when a is less than 1, is negative. So this is negative value and this is negative value. So entire p dash x is less than 0, and this is true for all x real x, means px is decreasing. Px decrease in two ways. First is in concave, and second is like this. If a real roots exist, it means that only one real root will exist. So we will check is roots existing or not. As px is given 5 upon 13, 5 upon 13 raised to the power x plus 12 upon 13 raised to the power x minus 1. So consider t is the root, t is the real root, t belongs to real. So pt equal to 0 implies that 5 upon 13 raised to the power t plus 12 upon 13 raised to the power t equal to minus 1 equal to 0, and take minus 1 in right hand side, so equal to 1. So this is true when t is 2. Why? If 5, 12 and 13, these are Pythagorean triplet. We know that these are Pythagorean triplet. So consider this is 5, this is 13, and this is, sorry, this is 12, and this is 13. So sine theta L upon K, or P upon hypotenuse, and P is 5 and this is 13. Cos theta is 12 upon 13 means base upon hypotenuse b upon h. So pt this pt or p theta in terms of theta, so we can write p theta is sine raised to the power t, or this plus cos raised to, you can write pt instead of theta because power is in t. Cos raised to the power t theta is equal to 1. So this trigonometric identity is true when t is 2. So only one real roots exist, means value of t is only 1 and this is 2. So which one or option is true? The equation px equal to 0 has exactly one solution in R. It is true. Px is strictly increasing. This is false. Px has exactly two solutions. This is false. Px is strictly decreasing. It is true. So option A and D are true.